Hi, sewing friends. Today we are celebrating the Crescendo Jeans Sewing Pattern. This is a pull-on jeans sewing pattern, and it takes a very special kind of fabric. So today let's talk about 3 places that you can find this special fabric right now. Fabric shopping is always the hardest part of sewing and making clothes for ourselves. So let me give you 3 spots where I would go right now if I were to be sewing a pair of Crescendo jeans. Now, if you know me, Crescendos are my most worn pair of jeans. In fact, in a year or two ago, they were my favorite pattern make of the entire year. I love Crescendo jeans. So it's got that nice wide elastic pull-on waistband. It has tons of fitting adjustments built into the pattern for you. Also have 4 different leg styles. You can pick from skinny, flare, boot cut, and straight. Let's just take a closer look at this pattern. I have a couple of samples here. One of them I actually did a cute little embroidery design on the back pocket for. I made these for Tammy, but you can see they have a nice wide elastic waistband. They have that faux fly, so they really look like traditional jeans. They have fully functional pockets on the front and the back, and Tammy even put rivets in hers to give them a little bit more sturdiness. These are the skinny version, and she actually left the hems raw, which I think adds a really nice touch, kind of natural touch, and makes it very easy for finishing. And she used the perfect fabric. Now, this fabric that she used was a stretch denim from, I believe, Raspberry Creek, and I'm not sure that they have that anymore, so I wanted to give you some places to find this really special fabric. Last year when we went to the Sew Expo, we had kits ready with the fabric that was specially made for Crescendo, or that was a perfect pair with the Crescendo jeans pattern, and it sold out like right away. It went like hotcakes, because finding that perfect fabric is really hard. So next up, I'm going to give you the 3 places that I would shop right now for this fabric. And let me just go through what we're looking for when it comes to this stretch denim fabric, perfect for the Crescendo pull-on jean. The fabric needs to be a mid-weight stretch denim. It needs to have at least 25% stretch. And you're looking for fabrics that are in the 10 to 12 ounce range. Let's get to the fun part, searching for that perfect stretch denim fabric for the Crescendos. Option 1 is this undyed stretch cotton denim from Stylemaker. From a fabric content standpoint, it's a really solid choice. The weight works, the stretch is there, and the cotton spandex blend checks all the boxes. The color might not be for everyone, but that could actually be a plus because this would be a fun one to dye yourself. Just remember that the cotton will take the dye, but the spandex won't. But since there's so little spandex, it should be okay. Just avoid high heat and always pre-wash first. Option 2 is a printed Ponte from Mood. This has a denim look though, so I think it might make a great pair of stretch pull-on jeans. Ponte usually has the right amount of stretch and structure with great recovery, and it is incredibly comfortable to wear. This would give you a denim look in a fabric that's often easier to find and easier to sew with. It's a rayon, nylon, and elastane blend, and that does a lot of the work for you. Now, option 3 is this super stretch denim from Fabric Mart. This is kind of like a clearance place to buy fabric in a lot of cases, and the price alone makes it worth a look. $6.99 a yard. So it might be a little heavy at the 15 ounces weight, but with the amount of stretch they describe, this could be a great low-cost muslin to work out fit before cutting into your final fabric. Definitely grab a swatch, message the seller if you're unsure, and remember that you can add extra seam allowance if you need more flexibility during fitting. That goes for all of the fabrics that you can purchase. Now, just for fun, here are 2 extra options to get your wheels turning. I actually messaged my friend Kayla over at Surge, and she suggested their stretch corduroys. And honestly, I love this idea. She has a million colors, they've got stretch, and they would be such a fun twist. Just picture a cute pair of red corduroy pull-ons for Valentine's Day. Tell me that is not adorable. And then an honorable mention goes to the perfect black New York designer dead stock cotton spandex stretch denim from Stone Mountain and Daughter. It's about 10.5 ounces, so the weight and stretch are just right, but the only catch is that there's only 6 yards left. So it is a very much grab it and go situation. All of this is really just to show you that there are more options than you might think for finding fabric. Fabric can absolutely make or break a project, so always check that finished measurement chart, especially if you can't find something that checks exactly every single box. And remember, stretch and weight ratings aren't always consistent between sellers, so sometimes the smartest move is to order a swatch or message the fabric shop directly before you commit. So there you have it, 3 places that you can shop for stretch denim fabric, perfect for the crescendos right now. Those are places where I would go if I were sewing a new pair of crescendos. That's where I would go right away. So let me know what you think. Do you have another source for great stretch denim, perfect for the crescendos? Link it up and let us know about it in the comments here. If you've sewn the crescendos, I would love to hear about your experience. And if you have any questions whatsoever, please let us know in the comments as well. Also, don't forget to get your Crescendo Jeans Sewing Pattern. The digital sewing pattern is $6 on special today, regularly priced $12.50. So it's over half off and a great deal for anyone shopping for the perfect stretch pull-on pair of jeans. Bye.